Welcome to our roundup of the best power tool kits, versatile all-in-one tool collections designed to handle drilling, cutting, fastening, sanding, and repair tasks with greater efficiency and convenience. Whether you're working on home improvement projects, furniture assembly, garage repairs, or professional construction work, a reliable power tool kit can make your projects faster, easier, and more organized. Modern power tool kits come with lithium-ion batteries, brushless motors, ergonomic tool designs, fast chargers, carrying cases, and multiple attachments for improved performance and flexibility. Many kits also include impact drivers, circular saws, LED work lights, oscillating tools, and advanced battery systems for longer runtime and better portability. Choosing the right power tool kit can improve productivity, reduce setup time, and provide a complete solution for a wide range of DIY and professional applications. Let's take a closer look at some of the best power tool kits available right now. Starting with the Decopro Power Tool Kits, this model is a great option for users looking for affordable versatility, beginner-friendly functionality, and practical tool selection for everyday household and workshop tasks. It typically includes cordless drills, screwdrivers, sockets, pliers, measuring tools, and additional accessories designed for home repairs and DIY projects. Many versions feature rechargeable lithium-ion battery systems that provide dependable runtime for light-duty and moderate applications. The compact carrying case helps keep all tools organized and easier to transport between work areas. Its ergonomic tool design improves comfort and usability during longer repair sessions. Additionally, it delivers reliable everyday performance and convenient multi-tool functionality during regular use. It also improves portability, enhances organization, and supports beginner-friendly repair and maintenance work. Next up is the Hichika Power Tool Kits, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced cordless performance, practical functionality, and improved flexibility across different DIY and workshop environments. This model typically features cordless drill systems combined with useful hand tools and accessories for drilling, fastening, and installation tasks. Many versions include variable speed controls, LED work lights, and ergonomic grips that help improve control and visibility during operation. The rechargeable battery platform allows users to work more freely without depending on power outlets or extension cords. Its lightweight design also improves handling comfort during extended use. Additionally, it provides steady cordless performance and dependable functionality during regular household and workshop projects. It also improves usability, enhances convenience, and supports a wide range of repair applications. Moving on to the CZI Power Tool Kits. This model is known for its strong cordless performance, practical portability, and reliable functionality for both DIY users and more demanding home repair tasks. It typically features high-capacity lithium-ion batteries combined with efficient motor systems that help improve runtime and overall performance. Many versions include impact drivers, cordless drills, sockets, chargers, and carrying cases for better versatility during operation. The compact cordless construction improves maneuverability while helping users work more efficiently in tight spaces or outdoor environments. Its ergonomic grip and balanced weight distribution help reduce fatigue during longer projects. Additionally, it delivers dependable power output and stable cordless performance across different applications. It also improves flexibility, enhances work efficiency, and supports heavier home improvement tasks more effectively. Stepping up in performance, the GRENWRKS Power Tool Kits offer a strong balance of advanced battery technology, durable construction, and efficient cordless operation for more serious DIY and workshop projects. This model typically features multiple cordless tools powered by a shared lithium-ion battery platform for added convenience and compatibility. Many versions include drill drivers, reciprocating saws, circular saws, flashlights, and impact drivers for broader functionality across construction and repair tasks. The ergonomic tool bodies improve comfort while maintaining strong performance during demanding applications. Greenworks battery systems are also known for delivering consistent power output and dependable runtime during longer work sessions. Additionally, it delivers efficient cordless performance and reliable operation across multiple applications. Taking the top spot is the Metabo HBT Power Tool Kits, a highly advanced and professional-grade option designed for maximum performance, long-term durability, and versatile operation across demanding construction and workshop environments. This model typically features high-performance cordless tools equipped with advanced brushless motor systems that improve efficiency, runtime, and power delivery during heavy-duty tasks. Many versions include drill drivers, impact drivers, reciprocating saws, circular saws, LED lights, batteries, chargers, and heavy-duty carrying bags for complete job site functionality. The ergonomic tool design and balanced weight distribution help improve comfort and control during extended professional use. Its advanced battery platform supports faster charging and stronger long-term reliability under demanding conditions. The durable construction also helps improve resistance to wear during repeated job site applications. All of these power tool kits serve different needs depending on included tools, performance level, and intended usage. The DeCopro kit offers affordable versatility and beginner-friendly convenience. The Haichika kit provides balanced cordless functionality for everyday repairs. The CZI kit delivers dependable performance with improved portability and power. The GRENWRKS kit offers advanced battery compatibility and broader tool versatility. And the Metabo HPT kit stands out as the most powerful and well-rounded option overall for demanding projects and professional use. That wraps up our list of the best power tool kits, from compact DIY sets to advanced professional-grade systems designed for maximum performance and convenience. Whether you're upgrading your garage, handling home repairs, or working on larger construction projects, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which power tool kit you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and power your next project with the right power tool kit.